Sin kabaningkang paunam usam lakhasi uban apa Meghalaya hak perthai borok kawai bat kumju hari India jongi. Uneu usam lakhasi yau balatip kerteng kumuta ujai dan pariat ubadang han rius nam karta. Uneu usam lakhasi ulon ra ya kanam ya keburam ya kari India bat kumju ya ke jelam Meghalaya jongi. Uneu usam la uba day u kena uba ya lekai yang kata jingnya lekai ke belatip kerteng kum kata ka F4 Racing dan yang kata jingnya penher kali kabalong isir kaiba bat ka penher stat kali hadu kata-kata uneu kena ulalang unang jap tiau hakate ka jingnya penher kali kabadang sulang sian hapo kari England bat hakane ka jingnya penher kali uneu samla khasi ulalang unang jap bat kata ulawan hakakerdan kabalai hawai kekerdan kabalai kamdai kabas Kamar kadai kajingnya lekai kabalai kompet kibreu nakil yang sodang congkane kaperthai kumta uneu samla khasi lawan hak kerdan kabalai samla khasi bola penher kali jongu kabadai napo company Argenti Motorsport uneu samla khasi ulayathu la share saki news media congkari England bau udap dak jingman ka bakrau hadin baka jingela race jongu kalau kabajuat bah bat khamtam bakadai ka surak kabaji Henry uneu samla khasi tek udang yo ya kekerdan kabalai uneu samla khasi ulai turu haka jingela res ke badang sa syakmat onang treshitam bat onya le bha namun poi syakathong bat kata syakakerdan kabaningkong bad yamenta uneu samla khasi ula paunam hari India namar bu dei wei na pedang kinong India hadin rius nam kumutau nong India uba yale ketika jingela kai ke sport but ulang ru unang job hakabai day but kane ka jingela sport.
Jaden, P3 in race 2, it looked tricky out there with the track, but of course, good to capitalise on the reverse grid.
Right, yeah. I mean, starting P4, we had an amazing start. Almost wasn't a lead for like a second or two. But yeah, I think just an awesome race. I think we had good pace as well. Kept up with the guys in front, and obviously I just played it smart. So that's why, we were able to bring it home. I did have contact in the middle of the race. I think something got bent, but we brought it back, got a podium. So I think we're really happy.